sitting in the backyard and it is beautiful out, and I wanted to share a revelation that I had with you guys in the last day or so. And this is regarding my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm just gonna be honest. You know, I've been wondering for a while now, why am I even doing this? Am I really helping people? Am I really helping myself? And I've just been like, why? You know, my videos aren't getting a ton of views. I don't feel like I'm necessarily reaching a lot of people. And, you know, I love the people that are watching, but I've just kind of been like, what's the point? And I always tell myself this line, you can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking back. So you just have to trust. And that is a Steve Jobs line. And I love it. And I've told you guys it many times, those that have tuned in and watched. And thank you for tuning in. And it finally occurred to me, you know, you guys don't know this, but my dad, here's the wind. My dad has heart disease, and he is having a triple bypass surgery next week. And, you know, I've been questioning this YouTube channel, and I realized, you know what? This channel has brought me closer to my dad. And if that's what I get out of this channel, that's all I need. And, you know, he's tuned into my weekly videos, and he's given his commentary, and he's really, you know, we've connected on life. And I can thank God that I've been given that opportunity. And I know that his surgery will go well. But I just wanted to share that with you guys, that, yeah, you might not monetize, you might not get the views, you might have amazing content, but maybe no one will ever watch it, but that's okay. God has a plan for you, and you should just listen. Listen to the whispers. Listen to what you're here to do. And it will not make sense. It will never make sense. But like I said, the dots will connect later. And I know in the end, I'm glad I listened. So just wanted to share that. Love you guys.